Hey there, I'm Chris Woods, host of the STEM Everyday podcast, and today I want to share a great idea that I learned by listening to another podcast, the Steam Up the Classroom podcast by Tori Cameron, and she was talking with a guest on her show that works with plants and works with farms and gardens, and talking about how to incorporate that into a classroom. And in my mind at first I was thinking, yeah, it's going to be great for a little kid classroom, but what about my high school classroom? And so I did a little thinking and I said, you know what? Kids of any age still love to have fun and get their hands dirty in some dirt. So I said, bring in a water bottle. And they're all like, why are we going to bring in a water bottle? I said, bring in a water bottle. So finally, when they'd all brought one in, I said, take the scissors and let's cut that water bottle. So we cut the top off. You know, of course, tell even high schoolers to be careful with scissors. And then I gave them all a permanent marker and a ruler, and I said, let's make some measurements and let's mark every centimeter on the side. And so when we actually put the dirt into our clear planting pot, we put the seed right along the side so that seed is going to grow, and we should be able to see the roots grow. And because we put some measurements on there, it should be a little bit easier to see how much is it growing. And so here we have all of 5th hour's class. I scanned a box from the copier room, and here's all the kids, and they all just brought in their own water bottle. And then here's the other thing that I decided to do with them. I said, let's make a background here, and every day they can take their device, snap a picture, and we can go day 0, day 1, day 2, and we can make a time lapse of that and see just how amazing it is when things grow. Now, what other things am I planning to do? Well, I figured germination rates. We can count how many have actually germinated on this day. How fast did it take each one to germinate? We can give some averages, some rates, some percents, but then also just that measurement and just the having fun and helping kids to find some way to get inspired to connect that learning to the real world. So take that idea, apply it to whatever age you teach, and enjoy the fun that you can have in your classroom instead of just handing out another assignment.